One core question there is whether there exists grave irreparable injury on the part of the applicant or the petitioner before the case can be heard on the merits. So that's the standard. That's the standard requirement. So ang argument naman namin dyan, counter-argument namin dyan, is more than the perceived injury, if any, to the complaint to the petitioner or applicant for DRO. It is in fact the state which will incur great injury. Because nga, kung yun na nga, hayaan natin na makaalis at baka nga hindi na makabalik. So ano na mangyayari sa mga kaso?